Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss the Giffen goods. Basically, Giffen goods are those goods on which law of demand is not applicable. When price increases, their demand increases, and when price decreases, their demand decreases. So basically, law of demand states that when price increases, demand decreases. But in case of Giffen goods, when price increases, demand is increasing, and when price is decreasing, demand is increasing. So in case of Giffen good, price effect is positive and income effect is negative. So when income increases, you are less willing to buy those products, and when income decreases, you are more willing to buy those products. So in case of Giffen goods, the examples are vary from person to person. For example, if we say that if in a certain day a person is selling any commodity by the side of road, and the price of that commodity or price of that, for example, let's say bread, price of that bread is for we can say that 50 rupees, and the next day that person is now selling that product at 5 rupees. Now the question arise or came into our mind that why this particular person is selling this product so much cheap. So by considering this scenario, we will assume that there should be or there must be compromise in the quality of that product. So that's why that person is selling that product at a very lower price. So now we are not willing to buy this product. As a rational consumer, we think that the price of this product should not be as much low as this price. So when price decreases so much from 50 to 5 rupees, we are not willing to buy this product. So when price decreases, we are less willing to buy this product. And similarly, when income increases, so now we have more money, so we are preferring normal goods. We will move forward to branded cloth or branded shops. So when income increases, we are less willing to those products whose price is very low. So in case of Giffen good, price effect is positive. As price is increasing, demand for those product is increasing. And in case of income effect is negative. When income is increasing, demand is decreasing.